Now eliminate a between the equation tan a plus sin a is equal to m and tan a minus sin a is equal to n. Now tan a plus sin a is equal to m, equation 1. Tan a minus sin a is equal to n, equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2, 2 tan a is equal to m plus n. Tan a is m plus n upon 2 and cot a is equal to 2 upon m plus n. Third equation. Now subtracting 2 from 1, 2 sin a is equal to m minus 1, sin a is equal to m minus n upon 2. Now here cosecant a is equal to 2 upon m minus n. Fourth. Now to eliminate angle A, what we are going to do? We are using an identity. Now using identity, cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Now cosecant A is 2 upon m minus 1 and cot A is 2 upon m plus n. Now from 3 and 4, 2 upon m minus n whole square, 2 upon m plus n whole square is equal to 1. We have substituted the values of tan cot A and cosecant A in the identity. Now m plus n whole square minus m minus n whole square upon m minus n whole square times m plus n whole square is equal to 1. Now 4 m square plus 2 mn plus n square minus m square plus 2 mn minus n square upon m square minus n square whole square is equal to 1. Now what we have done? We have used an identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Now opening the brackets, we are having now 4 times 4 mn is equal to m square minus n square whole square. M square minus n square whole square is 16 mn. M square minus n square is equal to plus minus 4 square root of mn. This is the answer.